What's up, YouTube? So, I got pieces of stuff all over my phone. Anyways, we went grocery shopping the other day, so I decided to do a freezer and fridge video. We got a lot of food, and we are on this new health kick. We are doing portions, so we got a lot of healthy food, and that is my bagel. So I decided to do a fridge and freezer video, freezer or fridge video. Either way, here we go. So here is what our freezer and fridge looks like. It's attached. Here is the freezer. So we don't have a lot in here because we have the big freezer downstairs that we're currently using now, finally. But right here we have leftover from the last box, my mom's waffles or chocolate chip, an ice pack that my sister left here, ground beef. This is the cheaper and less like fatty, I guess, kind. It's just, yeah, see. It's only 27% fat, and we got 2 of those up here. This is pork chops, and pork chops that we have to cook now. My mom's cigarettes, an ice pack, another ice pack, butter, and this kind of pork. And we got some sausages, hash browns, and again we're on a health kick, so we got mixed berries for smoothies, ice cubes for our smoothies. We got 2 of these different kinds. This one's my mom's. This one is mine, like a lunch with like some fruit or something. Ice cream when my mom had a cold, healthy throat. That. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold, so I'm sniffling. Fish sticks. These are mine. These are my mom's. I do not like these. I tried them and they're just not good. These are chocolate chip and these are regular. We will be getting the blueberry ones because those ones aren't as tasty. And that is the freezer. And here's the refrigerator. There's a lot of crap in here. Oh my goodness. Well, we'll start with the door. We have mayonnaise, tartar sauce. I think there's a block of cheese in here. A new thing of tartar sauce. More butter. More cheese. We have just that kind of cheese and this kind of cheese and that kind of cheese. We have some pickles, some jelly, barbecue sauce, more mayonnaise. It's Dollar Store mayonnaise. Ranch, some steak sauce, some taco sauce, small thing of mustard, some ketchup, some Parmesan cheese, and some, I don't know what these are, pepper something. I cannot pronounce that word. I'm not even going to try. And there's nothing on the bottom because everything falls out when you put it on the bottom. We'll start with up here. We have this to make chocolate milk. Some applesauce. This for bagels, which I actually need that for my bagel. Some orange juice. Some 1% milk. Let's see if I can get this. Some Snapple juice. It's kiwi and strawberry. My water bottle. Some 2% milk. It's French vanilla or French vanilla, and that is all that's on the top. Now on the bottom, in the middle, we have hot dogs. Those are for the kids when they come visit. These are new. We haven't had them before. This is beef roast. And that one is creamy chicken, fettuccine alfredo. And that is on that side. We have some strawberry, I'm out of breath, yogurt for our smoothies. Sour cream, tacos and stuff. More yogurt. Lettuce to make salads. This is for dinner tomorrow. And some watermelon. Took it out of the container because it was broken. Now down here, I'm going to actually sit on the floor. Alright, down here we have grapes. Sorry, this is kind of loud. No idea what's in here. I'm not allowed to open it because I have no clue. Some honey ham. Some more honey ham. Bagels, and then there's more bagels back there. Actually, I'll flip them over. And then grapes. And then we have 2 things of eggs and another thing of eggs. And I think there's something back there. Yeah, there's some cranberries back there. We eat a lot of eggs, plus we make a lot of stuff with eggs. That is what it is. So that is all of that. And now yours. We have some string cheese. I absolutely love string cheese. Some fish cheese. Leftover. We have some more fish cheese. Some lettuce for the guinea pigs. Some cucumbers. Some carrots. And a pepper for the guinea pigs as well. If you didn't know, I have guinea pigs. So I can fit all this back in the way it was. I think I did. Maybe. Okay, now the straw. We have apples and cuties. That's in the straw. That is my fridge and freezer. And I have another freezer downstairs, so let me show you that freezer.